Welcome back to Classkick Pro. This video shows you how to get your new class of students started for the school year. It's super easy because now you only need to give them any class code from your Pro Teacher account, and that's basically it. Let's walk through it. I'll pick the assignment I want to give my students on day 1. In the Assign tab, under the roster I want to use, I just give them a class code. Or if they're on web, I send them the link to the code. When they use the code, they either log in, if they already have an account, or they make a new Pro Portfolio account by clicking Sign Up. New Pro Portfolio accounts use Google, Clever, or a unique username and password. They enter some basic info, and voila, they are in the assignment. What's nice is now when they zoom out, they see their portfolio account, with all their assignments from each teacher. Let us know how it goes, and good luck with your new class.